Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to have everyone here. Guys, I would scream. Oh! You know what guys? The inevitable happened. So for today's episode, I have breaking news. So we are going to discuss that is expected and already happened, the Louis Vuitton price increase. Take note, not just only for monogram canvas, but for leather goods, jewelries, fashion jewelries, watches, and more. So if you want to find out more regarding the Louis Vuitton price increase, please stay tuned. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I vlog about the latest news about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our growing family by clicking this cute little icon here so you can easily subscribe and I could welcome you to our growing and loving family. Guys, please do follow me also on Instagram.com/Ramira5 so you could get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so let us begin this very hot topic. So today guys, the date that I'm filming this today is October 1st in the Philippines, and I believe it's also right now October 1st in US. So we are going to discuss mainly regarding the inevitable and has already happened Louis Vuitton price increase. Why did I say inevitable and already happened? So remember guys, previously I have made a vlog mentioning that there would be 2 waves of price increase, and I'm going to link it up here, put it in the description box just in case you haven't seen that. And on that vlog, I have mentioned from our sources, from Foxy LV, she mentioned that there may be 2 waves of price increase. One would be on August 15th and one would be on September 15th. And this price increase would only affect our beloved monogram canvas. Unfortunately, August 15th happened and September 15th happened. So yes, unfortunately, it did not happen, but that's good news for us, right? So it didn't happen. So you were thinking, yes, so we were able to escape the price increase. Unfortunately, there is another, actually it has already happened, the price increase. So this is a global price increase that is going to happen across all boards, right? So according to pursebomb.com, let me just read this very brief info that she has sent out through her website. So it shows here that a confirmed global price increase set to affect all leather goods from handbags to SLGs and even trunks. And they are calling it the quote-unquote holiday price increase, right guys? Holiday price increase. It is set to kick in October 1st and will range between 5 to 10%. Moreover, so she's also saying that there may actually be a second wave, quote-unquote again, mini price increase, and may incur on November 1st, which will affect fine jewelry, costume jewelry, as well as watches. Right, so like what I mentioned with the intro, so the October 1st, this would happen with all leather goods. So leather goods would also include monogram canvas and also SLGs. Then again, another mini price increase may happen on November 1st for the jewelry, so the high art jewelry, the fashion jewelry, and even on watches. So it's a little bit scary, but again, it's inevitable because come to think of it, so yes, they have postponed the price increase last August and September. So it may be a move for Louis Vuitton to postpone it to October 1st, knowing that like what First Bob mentioned, that this could be like, or they are coining it the holiday price increase because again, people would be spending a lot during holidays. And guys, take note, if I am not mistaken with my sources, I know that there will be lots of new collection that Louis Vuitton would be releasing on October by October 29. So question is, then definitely those new releases that Louis Vuitton would be coming up, I'm sure that the prices already have increased. So guys, the next topic that we are going to discuss is so like what I've mentioned, here in the Philippines, it is already October 1st and time check is 10 p.m. So US time, so if I'm not mistaken, Eastern time is already 10 a.m. in New York, or Eastern time, so it's also October 1st. And what I did is I went directly to LOUISVUITTON.com in USA, and I have checked whether the prices have already increased. And here is what I have found out. You are going to be surprised, guys. Alright, so guys, remember when I have did the previous vlog regarding the price increase initially last supposedly August 15th and September 15th. What I did was I have already made an Excel file here, so if you can see. So I'm going to show this to you guys in the future because I'm still collating. So what I did was I am now collating the prices of I would say the iconic Monogram pieces here. So I am taking note of the prices, their original prices before the price increase, and then of course I would be taking note of the newer prices after the price increase, so that I would be able to share these to you guys, and we are going to see how much crazy the price increases, and maybe we are going to also see from now on like how I would be able also to track and share to you guys like how many price increase Louis Vuitton has in a year. So currently guys, I am checking, like what I mentioned, I am checking LOUISVUITTON.com in US, and I have already seen a number of items that they have already updated the prices, but I think it is not yet complete because there are some bags there that still have the same prices. But I would just like to make mention a couple of bags here, like the iconic Monogram canvas bags. I would be sharing to you their prices and the newer prices. So like for example, so hopefully you don't mind, I'm looking at my laptop, so again it would look like this, and I would show it to you guys in the future. I would be creating a separate vlog once I am able to confirm that Louis Vuitton has already updated all the prices on their website. But for the meantime, there are a lot, and there are crazy, guys. Take note, there are crazy price increases. So one example would be the Dauphine MM. So before the price increase, so again guys, please take note that the prices I will be providing you, I have seen this via LOUISVUITTON.com, and it is before the tax. So again, once you are going to purchase this one, we would be certain that you are going to be paying for the taxes. So for the Dauphine MM, initial or before the price increase, the price is $3,250 US. Guys, OMG, the new price right now, October 1st price increase is $3,650 US. So that is a staggering $400 price increase for the Dauphine MM. And then for the mini Dauphine, again in monogram, reverse monogram. So initially it is before price increase, it's $28.90 US. After the price increase, $3,250 US, so $360 price increase. And then let me double check more, because this one guys, it is I'm sure everyone, this is everyone's favorite, the Palm Springs Mini. So before the price increase, it's only $1,990 US before tax. So right now, after the price increase, it is now $2,300 US. So there is a $310 additional for the mini Palm Springs. And then of course, the well-beloved multi-pochette accessoire in monogram canvas. So initially, before the price increase, $2,050 US. So right now, after the price increase, $2,360 US, staggering $310 additional after the price increase. Actually, I'm a little bit sad with this one because like what I've mentioned, I don't have the multi-pochette accessoire yet, and this is on my wish list, and I was hoping to purchase this one, but OMG, right now after the price increase, I'm not really sure anymore. So another favorite would be the Petite Boat Chapeau. Before the price increase, it's $4,850 US. Right now, guys, it's now $5,150, so that's $300 additional. Then here is another one, another favorite and a classic, so Speedy 25 in Monogram canvas. So this one is just a Speedy, not the bandolier. So initially the price is only $1,140. So after the price increase, it is now $1,350. So that's 210 price increase. And there is another one, the pochette accessoire in Monogram canvas, because I believe this is now, I think little by little they are bringing this back, available at LOUISVuitton.com. So guys, this one you are going to be surprised as well. So initially, before tax and before the price increase, it's only $790. So right now it is $1,050. So that is an increase of $260. OMG guys. So those are just some of the examples. So what I have noted with you guys right now are the what I call jaw-dropping, as you have seen on my how I reacted, jaw-dropping price increases. So the minimum that it increased is around $200. Then there are increases also like $40, $170, in which I am going to share to you guys soon in the future, because I am just collating the info at LOUISVuitton.com. Then there are also prices like what I mentioned. The reason why I don't wanted to share all these prices, because like what I mentioned, I'm not sure if everything on LOUISVuitton.com is updated, because there are some that hasn't changed. There are some of Monogram canvas pieces that the prices hasn't changed. Like for example, the Felici pochette. So before the price increase, it's $1,170, and I'm checking it now, it's still the same. Another one is let's say the Miss Mini toiletry pouch. It's $1,030. After the price increase, it's the same. What I've noticed with pieces like this that hasn't changed the price, so I'm not sure if this is correct or accurate, but what I've noticed, these pieces are out of stock at LOUISVuitton.com. But again guys, don't quote me on that one, because like what I've mentioned, I am not sure. Maybe because it's just October 1st, there are still glitches on the website. So again, it looks like this. Please stay tuned, because I would be doing a separate vlog, and I would be sharing to you guys more prices and how much it has increased post price increase. OMG, right? So again guys, I know it's a little bit too late, because the date that this video would go live would be October 6th, but hopefully I'll be able to share a little bit info with you guys, and hopefully you were able to get a hold of the Louis Vuitton bags or SLGs that you've wanted for a while now. So just like me, I feel that I'm a little bit lucky, because again, before August, I was able to purchase my toiletry pouch. So with that one, I'm not sure yet like what would be the newer price. And again guys, unfortunately I wasn't able to take note of the prices of the leather goods, because on my file, the only thing that I've taken note of is the iconic Monogram pieces, because initially that was, I was expecting would be, or that would have price increase. But I will try to check if I could still backtrack with the leather goods. Alright, so plus I think another question is with myself guys, if you could help me out, because currently I have a pre-order, a Monogram piece with my CA. So she did not get the payment for this one, because like what you mentioned, the reason why they were not getting the payment is because they cannot assure like when the piece would arrive, or whether it would still arrive at the store. That's why they couldn't guarantee. So since they cannot guarantee, they wouldn't take my payment. So I'm afraid that what if this piece arrive, would I pay the new price? So hopefully not. Hopefully they would reconsider. But there, so guys, hopefully I was able to share a little bit info for you, and hopefully this has been a little bit helpful. And again, please stay tuned in the future, because I would love to share once I have collated all the prices, and I would be doing a separate vlog for you. Alright, so before we end our vlog episode today, let's do comment of the day. I would like to say thank you to Wu Tang Klein, so hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. Thank you so much for your feedback. Welcome to the family, and I will see you soon on our next vlog. Again guys, I'm inviting you to please join our growing family by clicking this cute little icon here so you could easily subscribe and I could hug you and welcome you to our growing and loving family. Guys, hit that notification bell. I publish vlogs twice a week, so every Wednesdays and Saturdays will be for shopping vlogs. And I would highly appreciate it if you could like these videos. It would help me a lot and I would really appreciate it. Please do also follow me on Instagram.com/Ramiro5 so you could get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Again guys, a million thank yous for staying with me in this video. So hopefully I was able to share again some news and info for you guys. Please do stay tuned on Saturday because we have a new shopping vlog. I would see you. Please stay safe always. Bye!